Raindrop, drop top. Don't bring your friend if she cock block. She jumping under squares like it's hopscotch. We cutting the whip like a chop shop. Got it in a paper bag.
Seeing other dudes, hey, I got the last coffee cake.
Free yummy cheese.
This kid sucks. Oh man, this kid sucks so bad.
Young broke rappers. No new money, no old money. A lot of future money though.
Young Metro, trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Been working underground like an anthill. Everything I drop hard like an anvil. Run your mouth when your life at a standstill. All your tracks trash and your album is a landfill. Safe sex just is something that I can't feel. Finna leave some burn like a tan wheel. Hot flash, I can't chill. In my whole game, bringing pros pain like I'm Hank Hill. Goddamn it, Bobby, this isn't a hobby, and that's why your girl in my lobby. She acting snobby and wants to break records. I think that means she wants to top me. She like it sloppy. I put her face down like a copy. She calling me Poppy. How could I not be? Put the work out and get so many stairs. Now I feel like I'm Rocky. Who you wanna see in the ring? I know you see me with the ring. She is fantastic for being a thing, but I come and go like it's a seasonal thing. I don't be needing the bling, they all watching enough. Behind my back just like cops with a cuff. Stop with the bluff. They say I'm vain cause I'm popping and flexing, I'm not even buff. Raindrop, drop top. Don't bring your friend if she cock block. She jumping under squares like it's hopscotch. We cutting the whip like a chop shop. I don't need nothing from nobody. Always go in like a homebody. Get her on set, she like GoDaddy. Your raps are skinny, I swear they got nobody's. Bitch, I thought I hit him with the flow twice. Open doors with my flow, yeah, I'm so nice. And you're kinda like an old coffee, always sitting around, water down, and you really got no ice. Off the top, I be bugging, no lice. And we always stick together like old rice. It's ironic how they getting buried, acting like a cemetery, cause these motherfuckers got no life.
Raindrop.
What's up, friends? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. And make sure you tell your mother about this channel, cause she loves you too.